Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you coming back. If you are new here, come and stay. Okay, I have done a lot of videos on fractions, and then this is just a review question, 16 of them. Let's begin. So this is the first question. It's asking us to write 18 over 5 as a mixed fraction. So you would know that 18 over 5, so you have our divisor here, our dividend. 5 can go into 5 times 3 is 15, so it goes into that 3, 15, so remember 3, so that will be 3 whole number 3 over 5. So this is our answer. Let's see, 1 over 6 plus 7, 15. Alright, so we have to find a way of writing this into a common denominator. I mean, that is the most simplest way I usually see, and I think that we already did something like this. 1 over 6, let's multiply that by 15 plus 7 over 15, let's multiply that by 6, this by 6. So let's see, this is going to give us, let's go up here, 15, and then 15 times 6 should give us over 90, right? Plus 6 times 7 should give us 42 over 92. So this 42 plus 15 should give us 57 over 90, right? 57 over 90. And let's see if 7 can go into 57, right? So let's simplify this, right? So 57, 3 and then 19, right? So this can be written as 3 and 19, and this can be written as 3 times 30. So 3 cancels out, and this is our answer. We said that whenever you have division of mixed numbers, you convert them into improper numbers, right? So 4 times 3, 4 times 1 plus 3 all over 4 all over 5 times 2 plus 2 all over 5. So this should give you 7 over 4 all divided by 12 over 5. So 7 over 4 times, we are reciprocating the second fraction. So this is 35. Right, so this should be 35 over 48. Yeah, so the answer should be here. Alright, so let's see. Let's look at this. We have 17. Yeah, so for this we can decide to convert that into like denominators. So what we have to do is that, is there a common lowest common denominator here? I guess it's 36. So how do we make the denominators 36, right? By multiplying this by 2, that will give you 34. This will give you 36 minus how do you get, that will be 3, so that will be 15, and this will be 36. Now when you subtract 15 from 34, that should give you 19. So 19 over 36 here. We have to write this as an improper fraction. We said that you multiply the denominator by the whole number and you add the numerator to it. So 9 times 2 will give you 18 plus 4 should give you 22. So 22 over 9. So just multiply the numerators and the denominators. This is 15. Okay. 7 times 6 is 42. So 3 will go into 15 how many times? 5. 3 can go into 42 14 times. Right, so this is the answer. So question 7, we can convert this into a common denominator. So if you look at it, this is 3, this is 15, this is 18. So if you find the multiples of 3, multiples of 15, and multiples of 18, you obviously going to realize that the lowest common multiple that you're going to see is 90, right? So how do we get 1/3 to be 90? By multiplying by 30, right? So 30/90 plus 6. So when you multiply 6 by this will give you 1290, and this is going to give you, can multiply by 5, and then 90. When you add all of those things up, 30 plus 12 and then plus 5, that should give you 47/90. So this is correct. Question 8 is very simple. We just have to make sure the second fraction is of the same denominator as the first fraction. So I'm going to multiply that by 6. So 6/12. When you add that will give you 17/12, right? It's here. So question 9 is testing division of a fraction. So here we are dividing a fraction, a whole number, by a fraction. So every whole number is potentially a fraction when you divide by 1, because 1 is a division and multiplication identity. So divided by 3/4, we can take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which will be 4/3, and when we multiply the numerators and the denominators, that will give you 8/3. So this is supposed to be the correct answer. Here we have a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. So we convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3/2 minus 1/4. Then we convert to like denominators by multiplying the first one by 2. That will give you 6/4 minus 1/4. And that 6 minus 1 is 5/4. So this is 5/4. We are, again, remember, you cannot multiply the whole numbers and multiply the fractions like we did for addition. So you need to convert to an improper fraction and then multiply them. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8/5 times 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1 is 17/8. And so this is going to wind up as 40, and then 8 times 17 is 136, right? So 3 times 40 is 120. So I guess it's 3 remainder 16/40, right? But 16/40 can be further simplified, because 4 can go into 16 4 times, 4 can go into this 10, 2 goes here, 2 goes here, 5. So I guess 3 whole number 2/5. 13 is also pretty simple. We just need to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so here we have to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction, and so 3 times 6 is 18 plus 5 is 23/6 times 1/2. So this gives me 23. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 can go into 23 one time, and there will be a remainder of, guess that is 11/12. So this is correct. Well, so I will leave you with the last 3. See what you can do. Okay, so I guess you were able to do that. If you were able to do the 14 correctly, you should get this as your final answer. Write in mathematical symbols 3 more than. So more than can be plus. 3 more than is, so we say S is the same as equal to, more than is plus. So 3, 2, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, that was pretty interesting. Let's look at number 16, the last one. This is 5. Is, right, at least is greater than or equal to, this is 4. So this is equal to, which is part of the equal sign here. So that is going to give you 5 is greater than or equal to 4. So thank you very much for watching this review. I hope to see you again another time.